given the sum from n equals 1 to infinity of 1 over n plus 50 times n plus 52, the first thing we're going to do is see whether it converges or diverges, and then find its sum. Well, for this one, we're going to use partial fraction decomposition. So we split it up into two fractions, and notice that this n plus 52 is quote-unquote 2 ahead of n plus 50. That means is when n is 1, this becomes 53, and when this is 53, is n equals 3. So think of this as lagging 2 behind. And this term cancels what's over here. But for the first two terms, they do not get canceled since it's 2 behind this one. The rest will get canceled. So we're left for the first two terms. So you plug in n equals 1 and 2 into the first one. Simplify and get 103 over 5304. So that is the sum. Now let's find the partial sum. So again, we use partial fraction decomposition. We're looking for the first n terms here, the sum of the first n. So the first two is n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3, and then this is n equals n minus 1, and then n equals n here. The nice thing is a lot of things will cancel. The 1 over 53 will cancel, the 1 over 54, 55, etc. And what we're going to be left with is the 1 over n plus 49 and the 1 over n plus 50. So those cancel. And we have 1 over 51 plus 1 over 52 minus 1 over n plus 51 minus 1 over n plus 52. We'll combine these now to get 103 over 2652 minus 2n plus 103 over n plus 51 times n plus 52. We will multiply the denominator and have this as our sum. Now, we could have just found the partial sum and let the limit go to infinity, where in that case, this thing goes to 0, and then we're left with this as our answer.